Google's AI mode is finally rolled out for all the niches, and we are not seeing our website like we had in previous version of Google search page. So after this big shift in Google search, how we can stay relevant and rank our profile, rank our website in the citations, so let's say in the site sections, and how we can force Google so that our content has the best context according to the search query. So in today's video I'm going to show you the perfect template for the home page using the AI, and that's gonna help your business to stay relevant. We are just using the same template for our clients and they start ranking in the AI. Okay, so let's go to the screen. I'll show you some of my top competitors pages first and some industry leaders pages first, and I'll decode their strategy, and we will also predict that they are going to rank in the AI mode or not. Let's start with the water damage restoration niche. If I search for some of the businesses, if I go and open like this one,